Hi, let's talk today about filters. As you have probably seen, in each chart once we create it, we have option to add filters to a particular chart. Filters actually it's a great thing which allow you to narrow down your data by selecting specific dimensions or metrics, enabling you to focus on the most relevant information for your analysis, such as viewing data for a particular time period, campaign, geographic regions, or source. So, as an example, let's choose the chart which we have created in the last lesson, funnel chart. And I explained you that in this chart we can see multiple event names which we have in our GA4, but in this way they don't tell actually us very relevant information. So let's change that. Let's add some filters. Firstly, I would like to see what type of events we do have in our GA4. So I will just add another chart as table and let me see the event name. We have 26 actually. So we have page view, view item list, session start, and so on. From the funnel, we can see that page view is actually one of the top event name, and then on the second level, we have view item list. So then we also have such events as add to cart, add payment info, add shipping info, purchase, add to wish list, and so on. So let's click into our funnel chart and let's scroll down into filters. Click on add a filter and then create a filter. You have to name your filter, so let's name it as event name. And then we have to select a field. Once we apply this filter to our funnel chart, we have to search for event name because we would like to select only particular event names. Then we select the condition contains, and we can select the conditions such as view item or event name again contains view page or event name contains add to cart or event name contains purchase. If you are actually not sure what naming you have to provide exactly in here, you can select only contains, because this way, as I did in here, I could write down only add to cart instead of card, because I'm not sure if the last letter is D or T as an example. So this way we will make sure that this filter catch only the main part and we'll leave it open for mistakes or not. Why I've added also or, not and, as we can see in here, we can add and, is because we want either of those, one of those conditions happen, meaning for us, it doesn't matter if the event name contains view item, view page, add to cart, or purchase. We want all of these event names be visible if they are having some data in our GA4. If we have chosen and, we wouldn't be able to see the data, we would see the mistake because event name cannot contain view item, view page, add to cart, purchase all at the same time. That's why we choose or in here. Let's click save and let's see what actually happens with our funnel. Oh, as you can see, we have in here view item list, then we have view item, then we have no purchasers and purchase. Didn't work actually quite well as I was hoping for. So let's go back into our table and let's see. Here, as you can see, add to cart is written with T and I added it with D. So that's why our filter didn't catch up. So let's do add to cart. And also, if we click in here, view page, something wrong with this filter as well because we don't have it. We don't have it this event name. Let's see what could be the issue. The correct version of the event name is page view, and I wrote view page. That's why we didn't have this event name showing in our funnel. Let's change it and let's click keep save. And as you see, it have appeared. What we can actually do, we can expand our funnel. We can click edit and then let's choose here add to cart. Let's just keep add and let's keep purchase and let's keep view only. And we can deselect this. Let's see this way how we expanded our funnel. And as you can see, we see this way. Page view, view item list, then promotion, view item, then add to cart, view cart, non-purchasers, add payment info, add shipping info, and purchase. So let me minimize this table. As you can see, this funnel is way much useful for us now because we actually see our steps, what users do once they get into our page, and what type of percentage from 100 of page view lead to purchase. And actually, we can see that from 100%, only 0.32% is going to purchase our products. We could do similar funnel starting with session start or first visit, and then see how many of people who have visited firstly, what type of steps they are making on our page, and then how far they proceed, or they stay as a non-purchaser, or they actually proceed into making a purchase. So guys, I hope this short intro into filters on an example of funnel chart is clear to you. In the next lessons, I will show you how we can actually filter few different type of charts. Thank you for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!